Hello, my name is Jackson Brown.
And I'm Sarah Street.
We chose to do our video project on static electricity. We did a number of experiments, but first let me give you some background. All physical objects are made up of atoms. Inside an atom are protons, electrons, and neutrons. Opposite charges attract each other. Static electricity is the result of an imbalance between negative and positive charges in an object. These charges can build up on the surface of an object until they find a way to be released or discharged. When you rub a balloon against your clothes and it sticks to the wall, you are adding a surplus of electrons to the surface of the balloon. The wall is now more positively charged than the balloon. As the two come in contact, the balloon will stick because of the rule that opposites attract.
Rubbing two things together vigorously simply brings them into contact again and again, and this is what produces the static electricity through a phenomenon known as triboelectricity. All materials have a positive central core, the nucleus, surrounded by a cloud of electrons. If we put two different materials in contact and one attracts electrons more than the other, it's possible for electrons to be pulled from one of the materials to the other. When we separate the materials, the electrons effectively jump to the material that attracts them most strongly. As a result, one of the materials has gained some extra electrons and becomes negatively charged, while the other material has lost electrons and becomes positively charged. The triboelectric series shows that when you're experimenting with different materials, you find that some gain positive charges when they're rubbed, some gain negative charges, and some materials will gain more charges than others. You can rank these in order according to the charge they gain. On the positive side, we have air, skin, leather, glass, quartz, fur, and silk. For neutral, it's paper, cotton, steel, and wood. And for the negatives, it's latex, copper, brass, silver, gold, and saran wrap. The further apart two materials are in the series, the more static electricity will build up when you rub them together. If two materials are very close in the series, it's hard to get them to build up any charge at all, no matter how hard you rub them. So static electricity is about the nature of the materials and how we bring them into contact.
Today, we're going to be lighting this giant stick-looking light bulb, fluorescent light bulb, by the way, with balloon and hair. Let's begin. Now, it does say to rub this balloon against your hair very aggressively or vigorously for quite a bit of time, so yeah, don't judge. Ready?
Hours later.
I feel like this can't be good for my hair.